YEEDI Memorial Day Sale 2026. Save up to 60% on smart robot vacuums. Robot vacuums now offer AI mapping, self-maintenance, and app control, delivering nearly hands-free floor cleaning for smart homes. Each YEEDI model suits different needs, from matter-ready flagships to budget options, balancing home size, automation, and value. C12 Plus delivers basic automated vacuuming and mopping affordably, ideal for small spaces, students, renters, or secondary rooms. M14 Plus is a practical everyday vacuum mop combo with app scheduling and dual color options to complement various home styles. S14 Plus offers flagship-level cleaning, intelligent mapping, and automation at a steep discount, making premium performance much more accessible. S16 Plus delivers strong suction, AI navigation, and self-maintenance at mid-range pricing, suiting mid-sized homes upgrading from basics. S20 Ultra Infinity targets large, busy households, offering fully automated vacuuming and mopping with advanced navigation and maintenance-reducing features. M16 Infinity combines quiet, powerful vacuuming and integrated mopping with Matter compatibility, ideal for connected homes with mixed flooring.
Go to GearBrain for more information.